Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much guys for anyone who subscribe into my YouTube channel. And today's tutorial I will be showing you how to do the front post and back post double crochet. Okay, so to begin, okay, so we are going to do a slip knot. Okay, so and we'll be doing a chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so for now that will be enough, I think. Okay, and to do the double crochet, so we have 10 chain. To do the double crochet you have to add 3, okay, and double crochet into the the 10 chain that you created. Okay, double crochet and double crochet in each stitch, okay, to finish the row. So just double crochet into each chain. Okay, double crochet. I'm making this as slow as I can so you can follow guys if you're just learning. So that is how we make a double crochet. Okay, so we're into our last. Okay, so that is how we start. Okay, so after this, chain 3, okay, and turn your work, and we will be doing front post and back post double crochet. Okay, so we will start in front post. Okay, so wrap your yarn, okay, and go insert your hook. Okay, insert your hook into the space and come out. Okay, so we have a double crochet, so you go in one side and you come out in the other side. Okay, and then it's the same. Okay, so pull out and then make a double crochet. Okay, so that is our front loop. Okay, so with the back loop, okay, so you go at the back. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so we have that. Okay, so we're going into the next stitch. Okay, so we're going at the back, come out in the front, and then come back out to the back in the other side. Okay, so it's the same, pull out and then double crochet. Okay, so go there and come out and then double crochet and then front loop. Okay, so we go to the next double crochet. Okay, insert our hook and then we go to the front. Okay, and then this one is the back. Okay, I'm hoping that you are following me guys. Okay, so we have the first, we have chain 3 here, and then the second double crochet we made a front post double crochet. Okay, and the third one is we do it the back post double crochet, and then front loop, front post, and then back post. Okay, so now because we just finished our back post, we're going to front post. Okay, so wrap your yarn, okay, and getting to the next double crochet, okay, and then wrapping your yarn, pull up, pull through, okay, and then pull through two, pull through two, okay, and then we're going to the back. Okay, so we have here, so we're going to work this one, okay, double crochet, okay, front, double crochet, back, make sure that you don't skip, okay, and then front and back to the last. Okay, so that is our first row at the moment. Okay, so you can see we have a front post here, and then we have the back post there. Okay, front post, back post, front post, back post. So here is the front post, and to the other side we have the back post. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so chain 3, okay, turn your work, okay, because we have here, okay, the back post, so we are going to do the back post, okay, back post and front post, and then back post and front post. Okay, so you can see easily, okay, so we have a line there that is sticking out, okay, so in the other side we do have as well, okay, so we have there sticking out as well, okay, so we just have to follow that pattern. Okay, so this one is we finished at front post, so we're going to back post. Okay, okay, back post, and then front post, and back post, and front post, and back post, and front post. Okay, so that is our round 2. As you can see the front post here, and the front post and the back post. Okay, so you will be just doing that, chain 3. Okay, so we have here the front post, we'll be doing a front post, and back post. Okay, you just have to find a way what is easiest for you. Okay, when you get used to it, you know what to do. Okay, a little bit tricky working with the back post, but you just have to find a way. So working at the back post, if this is easier for you, okay, so you you do like that, okay, and then after that, and then you get there and just pull it and make a double crochet in the front, double crochet in the back, and then pull it, double crochet in the front. The front is very easy. And the back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we turn our work. Okay, then we have a back post here. We're doing a back post, and then front, and then back, and front, okay, and then back, and front, and back, and front. Usually this front post and back post double crochet, you use this in the edging of your sweater or project. Okay, so the arm here or the bottom, you can use this as well around your neck. Okay, so this how you make the front post, back post, double crochet. Okay, well, hopefully I made it very easy, guys. If it is too fast, you can play it slowly, and you can watch it how many times you can, play pause, okay, and you just have to practice and you will be okay. Okay, I know for beginners it's not easy, but you will get there. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and if you like this video, please like and share my video, and if you're new and you want to subscribe, please subscribe into my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thank you very much, guys. Until the next video, bye.